We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Funny Bar metal tin signs by Cenacle, a popular choice for man cave and home bar decor. These signs measure 8 by 12 inches and feature a thickened metal design with rounded corners. They are designed to be durable, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and resistant to rust and fading. This makes them a practical choice for anyone looking to add a vintage, humorous touch to their space. The signs come with 4 pre-drilled holes in the corners, making them very easy to hang on various surfaces such as walls, doors, fences, poles, and gates. This versatility in mounting options is appreciated by users who want a hassle-free decorating experience. The humor and vintage style of these signs are a major draw. They're often described as unique gifts that bring a smile to friends, family, or anyone who enjoys a bit of lighthearted decor in their home bar, man cave, or garage. The signs are seen as conversation starters and mood enhancers, adding personality to any room. Users have noted that the signs fit well in various settings, including living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, offices, hotels, dining rooms, and bars, making them a flexible decor choice. The quality of the metal and the print is generally praised for withstanding the elements when used outdoors, which adds to their value. However, some users have mentioned that the size is a bit smaller than they initially expected, which is something to consider if you want a more prominent piece of wall art. Despite this, the size is still suitable for most spaces and does not overwhelm the area. The vintage look is authentic and well executed with clear and readable text that maintains its charm over time. The signs are also appreciated for their easy maintenance, requiring just a simple wipe to keep them looking fresh. On the downside, a few users have mentioned that the material, while sturdy, can feel a bit thin compared to heavier metal signs. This might affect the perceived durability for some, but it also makes the signs lightweight and easier to handle. Another point raised is that the humor in the signs might not be for everyone, as some messages could be considered offensive or not to all tastes. The brand encourages feedback in such cases, showing a willingness to improve and cater to a broad audience. Customer service is reported to be responsive, offering refunds or replacements if there is dissatisfaction with the product. This adds a layer of confidence for buyers who may be uncertain about purchasing decor items online. Overall, the Funny Bar metal tin signs by Cenacle are a solid choice for those looking to enhance their man cave, home bar, or similar spaces with a touch of humor and vintage style. They combine durability, ease of installation, and aesthetic appeal effectively. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description to support the channel. This review reflects a balance of what users like and dislike, providing a thorough understanding of the product's performance and appeal.